good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As promised, welcome to Makeup Mondays. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I get my silver glittered wing makeup look. If you're interested, continue watching. Starting off with this Milk of Magnesia, I use it as a face primer, so I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now I'm going to be using this eyebrow pomade to fill my brows in. Then I'm going to use the spoolie to blend it out. After filling my brows, I'm now going to clean my brows up using the darker concealer at the top of my brows and the lighter concealer at the bottom, then using this concealer brush to blend. After doing my eyebrows, I'm now going to apply my foundation. After applying my foundation, I am now going to make my wing. Guys, you can make your wing extremely thick if you want. You can make your wing extremely thin if you want. But for me personally, I like making my wing in between, so it's not too thick, not too thin. After making my wing, I am now going to apply my glitter eyeliner. When you're applying your glitter eyeliner, guys, you want to apply it on top of the perimeter of the wing. You don't want to apply it directly on the wing, as I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to apply my setting powder on the areas I would usually highlight. Meanwhile, my face is baking. I'm going to apply some lashes. After doing my lashes, I'm now going to sweep away the excess setting powder. I'm going to use this dark brown pencil to give my waterline a more defined look. Now I'm going to apply my highlighter. Now I'm going to apply some lip gloss. And the final touch, some setting spray. that is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, love you guys, walk good, peace.